Hey, stop! Stop! Why are you moving like this? Look at what's happening behind. Master, this rock is too heavy. The digger can't lift it. That's why we're moving like this. That won't do. If you continue like this, won't it damage the digger? You should first put pressure on the large wall. Can you kick the large wall so we can see if it can't be excavated? Now stop, stop, stop. Now press the big wall first. Come on, slowly press the big wall. Slow down, ease it down carefully. Press it down. Now set it down. I'll show you how to dig it up. Come, now use the small side of your hand. Kick the large wall with the small side of your hand. Hey, kick the large wall. Oh, the Wi-Fi signal is quite strong. Follow the Wi-Fi. Kick the large wall. Kick the large wall. Yes, pull back the small part and pull it again. Good, come on. You're now kicking the large wall. Kick. Get up. You're now taking a walk. Look, are you okay? I learned, Master.